Hi guys, welcome back to Success Corner. We are here with daily physics MCQs. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Question 1. A small mass slides down an inclined plane of inclination theta with the horizontal. The coefficient of friction is mu, where mu is equal to mu naught x, where x is the distance through which the mass slides down and mu naught is a constant. Then the speed is maximum after the mass covers a distance of. So as here mu is dependent on distance, that means that till some point there will be a positive acceleration, and after a certain distance x it will be negative acceleration. So acceleration will be g into sine theta minus mu naught x cos theta. Now the velocity will be maximum when a is equal to 0, at the point when acceleration becomes 0. So if we put a is equal to 0, we get x is equal to tan theta by mu naught. That means that speed will be maximum after the mass covers a distance of tan theta by mu naught. So the correct answer is option 3. Question 2. A body is hanging over a pulley inside a car through a string. The second end of the string is in the hand of a person standing in the car. The car is moving with constant acceleration a directed horizontally as shown in the figure. Other end of the string is pulled with constant acceleration a vertically. The tension in the string is equal to. So first of all what you have to do is make the free body diagram. So when you make the free body diagram, it becomes extremely simple. So from the free body diagram we can easily see that T minus mg root m root g square plus a square, that is resultant of ma and mg, will be equal to the ma. Therefore T will be equal to m root g square plus a square plus ma. Therefore the correct answer here will be option 3. Question 3. Two capacitors of capacitance 3 microfarad and 6 microfarad are charged to a potential of 12 volt each. They are now connected to each other with the positive plate of each joined to the negative plate of the other. The potential difference across each will be. So potential difference will be equal to C1V1 minus C2V2 upon C1 plus C2. When we put the values in it, we get 4 volts. So the correct answer will be option 2. Question 4. Three plates A, B, C, each of area 50 centimeters square, have separation 3 millimeters between A and B and 3 millimeters between B and C. The energy stored when the plates are fully charged is. Now you know that energy is equal to half CV square. So first we'll need to find the net capacitance. Now as they are in parallel, we can directly add the two. So if capacitance of one is epsilon naught A by D, then when we add 2, it will become 2 epsilon naught A by D. Now you know that energy is equal to half CV square. So you substitute the value of C. So you will get half into 2 epsilon naught A by D into V square. So when you substitute the values for each one, you get 2.1 into 10 to the power minus 9 joules. So the correct answer will be option 2. Question 5. The equivalent capacitance between A and B is. Now this is a very simple question. There are 3 capacitance in series and one in parallel with all these 3. Therefore when the equivalent capacitance will be C by 3, that is for the series, plus C, that is in the parallel. So C equivalent will be 4 by 3 C. So the correct answer will be option 4. Question 6. A box of mass m kgs is placed on the rear side of an open truck accelerating at 4 meter per second square. The coefficient of friction between the box and the surface below is 0.4. The net acceleration of the box with respect to the truck is 0. The value of m is. So first the pseudo force acting on the block or the box will be m into 4 Newton because acceleration is 4 meter per second square. Now the frictional force between the box and the surface will be 0.4, that is mu, into mg, and g is 10. So you can see that here as the net acceleration is 0, that means 4m is equal to 4m. For any value of m, you will get the same result. Therefore, the correct answer will be option 4. It could be any value. Question 7. A series combination of 3 capacitors of capacitance 1 microfarad, 2 microfarad and 8 microfarad is connected to a battery of EMF 13 volt. The potential difference across the plates of 2 volt capacitor will be. Now you know that the equivalent capacitance, as they are in series, the equivalent capacitance will be 8 by 13 microfarads. Now you know that charge is equal to CV. So the total charge will be 8 microcoulomb. So the potential difference across the 2 microfarad capacitor will be 8 divided by 2 because V is equal to Q by C. So it will be 4 volts. So the correct answer will be option 3. Question 8. The equivalent capacitance of 3 capacitors of capacitance C1, C2 and C3 are connected in parallel is 12 units and product C1, C2, C3 is equal to 48. When the capacitors C1 and C2 are connected in parallel, the equivalent capacitance is 6 units. Then the capacitance R. So we have to find C1, C2 and C3. Now there are 3 main points given. So we'll write them separately. C1 plus C2 plus C3 is equal to 12 because it's given when they are connected in parallel it is 12. Then it's given product of all the three is 48. So C1 into C2 into C3 is 48. And third it's given C1 plus C2 is equal to 6. Now when we solve equation 1 and 3, we get that C3 is equal to 6. So we have found C3. Then now we have to find C1 and C2. So if we see equation 2 and the new equation 4, so we can get that C1 into C2 is equal to 8. Now we know that A minus B whole square is equal to A plus B whole square minus 4AC. So here similarly C1 minus C2 whole square is equal to C1 plus C2 whole square minus 4C1 C2. Now we know the value of C1 plus C2 and we also know the value of C1 into C2. From this we can get that C1 minus C2 is equal to 2. Now as C1 plus C2 is 6 and C1 minus C2 is 2, we get C1 is equal to 4 and C2 is equal to 2. So here the correct answer will be option 4, 4, 2 and 6. Question 9. A parallel plate capacitor of capacity C0 is charged to a potential V0. 1. The energy stored in the capacitor when the battery is disconnected and the separation in between plates of capacitor doubled is E1. 2. The energy stored in the capacitor when the charging battery is kept connected and the separation between the capacitor plates is doubled is E2. Then E1 by E2 value is. So let's say that E is equal to half C0 V0 square. Then E1 as the battery is disconnected and the separation is doubled, therefore E1 will become 2E. And in the second case, as the battery is kept connected, E2 will be E by 2. Now when we take the ratio of E1 by E2, we get 4. So the correct answer will be option 1. Question 10. Equivalent capacitance between A and B is. Now we can simplify this given figure as this as shown. So there are two 4 microfarads in series. So it will become 2 microfarad. So now there are 3 capacitance in parallel, 2 microfarad, 4 microfarad and another 2 microfarad. So we can directly add them and it becomes 8 microfarad. So the correct answer here will be option 1. These were today's 10 MCQs. So I hope you liked this video. So please like, subscribe and share it. Thank you.